responsibility too. And this was my fault. And I'm like, no, 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 no. Like,
Right.
not all that. Yes, you did what you did. That was not good. You need to make amends for that and make that right.
But you're not
the
responsible
rest,
for everything.
you're not responsible for everything in the world. You're putting way too much on yourself.
Do you think, and I'm going to ask you a question now. Do you think that that is why sometimes people don't succeed at sobriety? Is because they take on too much responsibility? They're responsible for their family. They're responsible for their friends. They want to change everything. They're kind of on this, drive to like correct all of these dysfunctions, because now it's like their eyes are open and they see it, right? They didn't see it before. Now they see it because they're doing the work, and it's everywhere, right? Dysfunction is everywhere. And being a therapist, you see it everywhere, but you can't take it all on.
Thank you for watching this Recovered Life segment. At Recovered Life, we are all about helping you live your best recovered life. So please like this video and share it with someone you know who could really use it. Also, feel free to join our free weekly newsletter at recoveredlife.us and get great information like this sent to your inbox every week.